Hi everyone, it's me, Sonali, and today we've got a guest.
Hello.
This is my friend Trisha, and this is my little brother Arman. And today we're gonna make gingerbread houses.
Because we need instructions for a lot of rules.
Yeah, I got this Dreamworks troll kit from Walmart,
And I got this Wilton kit from Walmart.
and so did my brother.
Yeah.
So we're going to open it and see what's inside.
Yeah. Mine is already open. Yeah.
So you can tell what you have.
Yeah, I have red fondant, and I have these gumdrops and these minty sticks and icing and my favorite sprinkles. Well, I already have these.
So I got this gingerbread house.
That she has to go.
I got starbursts.
Yeah, my favorite.
Let's see. I got poppy.
Yeah. Icing she got.
Yeah, this is icing. It says white icing.
Okay.
And these are some cans with sprinkles.
Yeah, I really like those.
Stars.
For happiness.
Gumdrops.
To stay alive.
And that's it.
Yeah. I got fondant.
Whoa.
Oh my
What are these? These are gumdrops.
I got gumdrops. I got a bag
For icing.
for icing.
Let's get started. So this is my gingerbread house. It did not turn out as I expected, and it has a little trouble, but it's okay.
And this is my gingerbread house. I did it myself. It looks like better than that. And look at my house. It's pretty and awesome. Yeah, it's rock and roll. He's going to take it to a clown circus. And yours is going to be at a clown circus. Yeah. Look at my gingerbread house. That's so cool.
Now I'm going to bake my gingerbread house, and all of us will eat it.
Yay! Yay, karate time! These are going to be the yummiest.
Oh my
Come on, let's do the best part, eating it. Yay! Well,
So?
we're not... Yeah. It's delicious.
Happy holidays!
Happy birthday, bye! And with a face with gingerbread.
Happy New Year! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.
2019.
Happy New Year 2019!
Happy New Year 2019. Happy New Year 2019. Happy New Year 2019.
Okay, time to sit down.
Okay.
Should we all break the poppy and eat it?
Yeah.
Like the gummy? Let's all hug each other. Baby, come on!